What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Brailsford's Rides. Here today we are with the Jacksonville Foxbody group. We have a much larger group than we did last time. Cars are still rolling in, and we're gonna go hit some drivers roads here in the local area. It's gonna be a great time, but enjoy, check out all these cars, and we're gonna hit it. It's definitely super cool seeing all these Foxbodies together. We've got a way larger group than last time. We've got about 20 cars going, and yeah, man, some of these things sound wicked. They look so great. Everybody takes pride in their cars out here, you know. It's really cool to see them all. So, what you got, Maddox? Get your Foxbodies? Wow, those are cool, man. Those are really cool. Yeah, I see that. I got 150 horsepower. I'm not dumb. If we just accelerated the speed limit, which is what we were going to do, that would have been the worst decision ever. There was a police officer rolled right up. Oh God. That white GT, I think it's 91, might be 90. It's Max. He's got like a 427 in it. Man, that thing is gnarly. Mac, that thing sounded so great if you're watching this. I think the coupe with the pearlescent coat, I think it's rocking a 347. I might be wrong. Ryan, if you're watching this, just comment down below, man. Let me know.
Yeah, we're about to race.
I haven't forgotten about the header install. That is still coming up. Like I said, guys, we've been getting ready for Ponies and Smokies with the boss. Still tons to do on there. We got paint correction, all these other sorts of things. Yeah, so we'll get these headers installed eventually. Like I said, MJI probably gonna come down and help us out, and it should be a great time. Oh, gorgeous cars. Sometimes you got to get the perfect shot. So we're up here ahead of the group. This has been no small trip. I'm actually very impressed with this Fox right now. Considering only things I've done to it to get it going, it has made it like a trooper. Drivers roads here, some nice winding. You have your brailsford rides, okay. We're getting some drivers roads, some nice turns and sweeps. It's gonna be fun.
Here comes some big turns.
Oh, look at this road, guys. Good road. Wow. Woo. Heck yeah. Oh. This thing doesn't handle like the boss does. Look at all these boxes. Carving these corners. Woo. You can't spin the tires, buddy. We're going too fast. Somebody's shooting. Oh, look at you foxes, people. Going back through the gauntlet. Look at that, right in front of me, you got another 85 LX, which is like a clone of mine, so that's pretty awesome. Yeah, definitely glad Ray organized this Fox group. I didn't know how many of them there were around here. Definitely met a lot of great people through this group. Maddox, did you like those roads? Was that fun? Yeah? Got a Fox gas station invasion. This is pretty epic, actually. This is pretty bad. This is awesome. Look at that. We're gonna get all lined up for a nice group Fox picture here. We've definitely got some beautiful cars around here. Look at all those beautiful back ends. This was definitely a very epic cruise, man. I enjoyed the heck out of this one. raced the cop before.
Okay, let's get out of here. There's a cop out there.
Just for a minute. Oh man. So we are definitely not going like, you know, slow, but somehow taking over the highway and we're blocking the all the traffic behind us is trying to go around us. And everybody's speeding like crazy, trying to get around us. But we got a lot of Foxes here. All right, everybody, thanks for watching Brailsford Rides. That's gonna do it for today's video. If you enjoyed that video, please click that like button down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're interested in more Fox body content like this. We got more stuff lined up for the Fox, like we talked about. It's just a matter of getting the boss ready for Ponies and Smokies. And then once we're got that all done, then we're gonna start kicking off the Fox project, all right? And by that time, the weather will be a little warmer, it'll be a little nicer to work in the garage. And yep, this car is gonna be awesome. It's gonna sound great. Can't wait to pick up the motor for it. It's coming soon. Don't miss it. Subscribe. See you next time, guys.